Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch for accessing Prime gaming benefits and free monthly subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to twitch.tv, the official Twitch streaming platform. Sign into your existing Twitch account or create a new one if needed. Step 2. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to open your account menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account configuration and connection options. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on the Connections tab, located in the left sidebar to view all available account linking options. Step 5. Scroll down to find the Amazon or Prime Gaming section. Click the Connect button next to the Amazon Prime option to begin the linking process. Step 6. You'll be redirected to Amazon's login page. Enter your Amazon Prime account credentials, including your email address and password. Step 7. Amazon will display the permissions that Twitch is requesting. Review these carefully and click Agree or Authorize to grant Twitch access to your Prime benefits. Step 8. After successful authorization, you'll be redirected back to Twitch. Your accounts are now linked, and you can access Prime gaming benefits, including one free channel subscription per month and exclusive in-game loot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.